Hi, this video is for me to tell what I want to accomplish in this class, the Introduction to Media Communications at Full Sail. For many years I have gone through other schools already. I went through SBC, tried to pursue a business degree. Then I wanted to try and do some other things like to get back up in my life so I have something else with knowledge. So I went to P-Tech for a little bit and then I couldn't really, do well with mechanics there. I went back and left after, no hands-on training. And then I went into the computer class over there. Still really nothing to do. Always on my time over there, I spent some time writing, just typing up stories randomly on the computer. And then I realized that, going through my love for movies and being with Disney World and stuff, I really enjoyed being around the film industry and wanted to create my own stuff and, have my own studio when I get my own house and be in a job where I don't have to deal with a lot of people. I don't mind dealing with public, just over the years of working at Publix made me realize that I kind of want to break from it, and it sometimes as well. But I'm hoping to accomplish really good and better skills with this class, and hopefully I can get my foot in the door after a while, much sooner than before I graduate, so that way I can have a higher paying job and start getting my experience so I can start making the money I need to start my own company later on. Yeah, over the years I've been trying to get a job with the computer business and the car mechanics, but nobody really didn't want to hire for past the hourly that I make now at Publix, so that's why I finally realized I would like to become a writer, because then I can do a lot of more traveling and explore a lot at the same time, and have my own house here too. There's sometimes. So I'm hoping to really learn something and get something to do a degree this time.